Guys, I like to celebrate stuff and I like my subscribers, so I want to celebrate every new subscriber. For my build, I'm using a 3D printed case I designed, a DC motor, a MOSFET driver module, an ESP32, a 7-segment display, and batteries. First, I soldered cables to the driver module and the motor. And then I assemble the rest. While I'm doing that, I can explain you how it works. So the ESP32 is connected via Wi-Fi to the YouTube API. So if anybody subscribes, the ESP detects that and changes the number on the display and lets the motor spin. Before we can use the subscriber count, I have to glue the head on the motor. And now the last finishing touch, the YouTube logo. Enjoy. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing and celebrate with me. Thanks.